What is up, guys? Chris Temple here. Just want to give you another update on my app, Cineschedule. So if I come over here and I open it, you can see I actually now have a real app on my launcher. Hey, it's working. Now, there are some caveats. Right now, it's doing an autosave and only loads whatever I'd last been working on. But there's a lot of cool features with this now. So the first thing you'll notice is, one, darker interface. And two, up here at the top, I now have kind of a statistics area, which is actually really handy. This will tell me, if I just throw some stuff on here, oops, like that, and we'll throw one way down over here. This tells me that I've got 5 shoot days. I'm shooting 6 scenes for a total of 4 2/8 pages, and my estimated time based upon this data is 8 hours. Now, let's say this scene was going to be a really long one. I can double click it and come in and change stuff, so that's really cool. And I can make this a 210-minute scene. Save changes, and now I can see I've got an 11-hour shoot because that's now a 2-hour shoot on that one right there. So really handy to be able to have the stats appear. The title is tied to my title over here. So I could say this is my awesome movie, and you can see that the update's here in the center. Some things aren't fully working yet. I can save this to a JSON file, but I'm not able to load them properly yet. But right now I've got it set up to automatically save and overwrite. So if I were to close this app now and come back into it, you can see it picked up right where we left off. The drawback is that if I go and do a second movie, I have to now come through and remove everything from the schedule by hand, and then I've now got a list over here of everything, and I've added these trash can icons so I can come through and really quick just delete the scenes that I no longer need on there and stuff. Also, FDX import is sort of working. I open it up. It imported 21 scenes, and this is a partial script, so that works out great. It doesn't maintain the formatting from the program. It maintains the formatting how you actually had typed it. So you can see I had some issues with my cap locks and shift keys and stuff like that, and that's why this is all over the place. So it is cool to know that I can come in, like drag it in, double click, and fix it that way. That's helpful. But more than likely right now, what I'll probably end up doing is just manually adding scenes. So I'm going to say scene 48, and then this is a interior at the house. And then maybe I'll do the time of day. So this is going to be night. And then another neat feature that I've added is I don't have to, like, let's say I'm shooting 1.5 pages. I don't have to input, 12 eighths anymore, right? Which is 1.5. I can literally come in and now and say 1 space 4/8. And I can input the eighths manually, which is really cool. And then you got your estimated time. 300 minutes, add scene, bam, we're good to go. Drop it on the schedule, everything's updated and ready to rock. So at this point, this is almost ready for production. There's been a few other little bugs and caveats I've noticed. Like I talked about, saving and loading doesn't really work yet. It's buggy, but we got FDX import, so that's cool. The other thing that's not fully there yet, I'm gonna bring in the FDX again. Just so I've got a whole list of stuff I can add. When the calendar goes off screen, let's see, drop that on there, and there, and there. So now I can see that I've got stuff like way going off the screen. I can kind of start to scroll down, and there's this like rubber band effect, but I can't actually get everything up to see it. So the scrolling is currently broken. Right now, I would say this is definitely best if you're looking at like a 4-week movie shoot, probably even less than that right now until I get scrolling working. But yeah, just want to give you a little update on where things are at. You can see that it is in fact coming together, and I'm real excited for it. I love this delete feature, being able to do that, to clear it out. I think I need a clear all button up here. What do you guys think? I could just hit like nuke it, boom, and then everything goes away. This will clear out, the calendar will clear out, and I've got a clean slate I could start with. I think that'd be kind of fun. Anyway, part of the fun of designing your own app is you get to make cool decisions like that. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below.